So in the previous section we have learnt about the mode tags that we have. Mode tags comes in like the bold, the strong, italic, quotation. So these are the things that we have learnt in the previous lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about the special characters, how we are going to insert special characters and get reflected in the browser, right? Special characters like space is a special character, the left less than symbol, greater than symbol, apostrophes, these are the special characters. So how we are going to denote the special characters in our code, we are going to see here. So we are going to make a new file inside the basics HTML named special characters. Special characters, right? Oh, one mistake is there, we have to rename it, right? .html extension we have not written, we have to rename it with extension .html. Now it's the correct one, special character .html. So inside that we have the doc type special characters. This is going to delete the file. This is the new file. Inside this we are going to learn about the special character. Doc type HTML. Inside this we have the header, inside this we have the title. Title is going to be the special character. And after that we have the body part. The body part. Inside the body part, let's suppose we have the paragraph. What about if we want multiple spaces, right? We want multiple spaces. So if we open this in browser, let's see what's there. Browser is not able to open that. So here you can see we want multiple spaces is reflected in the browser. What if we in the source code we apply multiple spaces and then see it in the browser, save it using Ctrl S, then refresh it? There is no effect, there is no multiple spaces. So how we are going to give multiple spaces? For that we use the NBSP that we have learned in the previous lecture also. We can write ampersand NBSP. All the special character we use the ampersand and this semicolon, right? And inside that we use the key that are used for that special character. So ampersand and semicolon is must, and inside that it will vary based upon which special character we want to use. So if we save it now, we want to open in browser, how it is got reflected. So see, here the space is there. If we write one more ampersand nbsp, control C and then control V, and then save it using control S and then refresh the page. See, one more space is added there. So this is the way for adding the spaces, multiple spaces. What if we want to add the about less than and or greater than? So if we write here, if we want to write less than, then P, then greater than, then P, then how it is going to reflect? If we write this and see what happened, see, we want multiple is in the one paragraph and spaces in other paragraph. Means what? Although we have not mentioned the closing p tag after this paragraph, but the browser will by default understand that the paragraph comes to an end. That's why you have started the another paragraph from here. So this p will not be printed. Less than, then p, then greater than symbol will not be printed. So how we are going to print that? Since the less than and greater than symbols are the special characters, so for printing that we have to use the same as this we use as space, we have to use ampersand and the semicolon, but the only difference will be that the key which we are using for the less than and the greater than symbols will be different, right? So for less than symbol we use LT. So ampersand LT semicolon, then P, then ampersand greater than for GT, and then semicolon. Then we save it using control S and then refresh the page. See, this get printed less than, then P, then greater than symbol. This can printed. This is how we achieve. So whenever we have to print the special characters, we have to use the ampersand and the semicolon with the key which we want, whatever key we want, about that key. Now the next special character is apostrophe. So suppose we want to print C is, right? So for apostrophe the key is APOS. So C and the ampersand APOS semicolon and then S. So what is going to print? It will print C is. Save it using control S and then refresh the page. You can see C is printed in this way. So this is the method for printing the apostrophe. There are many special characters are there and their keywords are there, so you can see it in the notes provided in the description section. So that's all about the special character, or you can explore much more about that. Thank you very much.